boys of Hull Trinity House Navigation School, looking rather like midshipmen of Nelson's time, were inspected by His Royal Highness, himself now an honorary brother of Trinity House. Leading members of the fraternity were presented to him in the school, and he admired their fine collection of plate. Then, by unveiling a tablet, he reopened the renovated buildings. Some institutions, he said, lost their original character.
The interesting thing about this one is that not only has it not forgotten what it was doing 600 years ago, but it's going on doing the same thing and getting better at it every year. And I hope that it will continue for a long time to send out well-trained seamen to join the Royal Navy and the Merchant Navy and the pilotage service, because it's trained seamen is a profession which this country needs very much indeed. Seagoing may be or people may tell you that seagoing is a hard life, but it has its compensations. Take me, for instance. If I'd been at sea, I wouldn't have had to make this speech, and you wouldn't have had to listen to me.
At Brough, he toured the Blackburn and General Aircraft Company's works. Among aircraft inspected, perhaps the most impressive was the enormous Blackburn Beverley Freighter, which can be used as troop or cargo carrier, or both. The Duke, as everyone knows, is a keen pilot, and he went for a flight in this giant aircraft, which can carry about 20 tons of payload. His Royal Highness at the controls. He piloted the Beverley for about 20 minutes. A new experience for him, but one which we can be quite sure he thoroughly enjoyed.